I've been getting a lot of questions on the number of locks I have, and in the beginning I just didn't understand what was so important for people to know. But thinking about it a little bit more, I think I understand that maybe people are just trying to get reference. But I think it's also very important to note that we don't all have the same hair density, we don't have the same hair type, we don't have the same head shape, we don't have the same head size. So there isn't really an ideal number of locks that one should have to look good. With that said, I'm still gonna do a lock count video because why not? I hope that you guys enjoy it and that you take something from it. I have a total of 73 locks. Again, when I got my locks, I didn't really have a specific number that I was chasing. I just told my loctician the look that I was going for. I didn't want to have a head that's too full of locks, and I didn't want to have thick locks. I didn't want to have too thin locks, and he sort of gauged what they should look like, and then here I am now. And if it's really important for you to, because I understand that once you get a certain number of locks, you're sort of stuck with it unless you start with maybe sister locks and combine them later. Like if you start thick, I'm not really sure that you can maybe separate them, who knows. But yeah, rather start off with maybe like faux locks or braids to see what look suits you best, and then start your lock journey from there. This was a super short and quick video, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.